everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY fishnet sock shoe. So I actually made this video like almost a year ago at this point, and when I uploaded my video content to my hard drive crashed and I lost everything. I was so sad about it, so excited that I've found some time to recreate this now. And the best part is that I've actually had an opportunity to wear these shoes out, so I can actually tell you how they went. If you ever do want to wear this shoe out, I definitely don't recommend wearing this to like a party or something where you're going to be on your feet a lot, because the way I'm going to show you, the sock is still on the bottom of this shoe, so if you're walking on a lot, there's a potential for it to rip. But if you're sitting down for like dinner and you're just kind of lounging around and you just want your feet to look pretty, definitely the way I'm going to show you will work perfectly. This was inspired by a picture Kylie put of herself with this type of shoe on her Instagram, and when I saw the picture, I googled to see like what kind of designer or how much something like that would cost. It came out to be over $1,000. It was Alexander Wang, and it literally looks like someone took a fishnet sock and just put it over a clear shoe, and I was like, oh, that is a great idea, and maybe I'm gonna try it and let's see if I can make this for $5. And lo and behold, I was able to do it. So if you'd like to learn how to make your own fishnet sock, please keep watching. So what you're gonna need some fishnet socks. So these are from Walmart. I got them for $5, and you're gonna need some clear heels. I got these ones from Fashion Nova. So this is like so easy. All you're literally going to do is take the sock and put it over the heel. And as you're putting it over the heel, once you get to the heel part, you're just going to have to punch a little tiny hole into the sock so that the heel can go into the sock. And that is literally it. Like, this could not be any easier. That's why it's like, what? This is selling for $1,000. When you can literally spend $5 and make this. So I guess for me, I already had the shoes, so I only had to buy the socks to make this. The shoes cost about $30 to $35. So this whole project altogether, if you don't have anything, would be about $40 or $35 to $40. So super cheap, better than $1,000. So this is the final result. So this is what they actually look like on. To me, it looks exactly the same as the celebrity ones, the designer ones. Honestly, it just looks so similar, and it's functional, and I actually think they look stunning like this. What do you guys think? Do you think this looks pretty much like the designer one? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye!